Greetings aspirants, we hope you are doing well. In the last video, you heard how important it is for us to approach any mission in a structured way. If you have not seen the previous video, the link is in the description box below. With just 30 days left to CAT, we, the Admissions Committee of IIM Raipur, are here to give you some more insights on as to how you can approach CAT 2023.
Hi, I am Abel Abraham. I am an Electronics and Communication Engineering graduate and I worked as a software developer for 2.5 years. As for my mock analysis, initially I used to do around 2 to 3 mocks every week, and to the last days it was daily a mock or a 2 for effect. So the first thing that you do when you approach the question paper, and this is what I did for my mains as well, is you scan the entire question paper. Here you get an idea of where your strengths are, which questions is a sure shot, which questions you're positive about, and which questions that puts you in a dilemma and you're not sure whether to answer it or not. Go for the sure shot ones first because it lands you for 3 marks for sure. And then go to the ones you're positive about after you conclude all the other questions. Finally, if there's time remaining, go for the ones that you're not very confident, but you want to give it a try. As for each section, for the first, for the reading paras, which has trailing questions, it's okay to take around 8 to 10 minutes because, as I said earlier, it gives you around 9 to 12 questions based on the number of questions you have. And for the second part, know your strengths. For me, it was graph analysis, seating arrangements, and the questions that you did and for the preparations will help you for sure. As for the last part, the speed, the knowledge, and the accuracy is what helps you through it. All the mocks that you prepared and everything that you've done so far will help you through with this. All the best.
Hello everyone, I am Srijita Chaudhary, a student enrolled in the PGP batch 2325 at IIM Raipur. As CAT 2023 approaches, here are some tips based on my own journey that will help you achieve your maximum possible score. Firstly, at this stage, it is essential to identify your areas of strengths and weaknesses. Regularly taking mocks and analyzing your performance will provide you insights that will help you identify and improve your strong areas, as well as ensure that you don't miss out any marks on questions that pertain your strengths. Furthermore, based on your mock test results, you have to determine the optimal strategy of selecting and solving questions, and also the correct order in which you have to attempt the questions. For example, in the VRC section, try to understand that whether you fare better by attempting the reading comprehension questions at first or the verbal ability ones. Similarly, for DILR and Quant, you need to identify the types of questions which you can solve correctly in the least amount of time. Another strategy that proved to be extremely beneficial for me was to attempt 1 mock test every day at the same time at which my actual examination was scheduled. This helps to train your body and mind such that it can perform at its peak during the real test. Hope these tips will prove beneficial to you and wish you all the very best for CAT 2023.
We hope that these insights will help you on your journey towards CAT. Now always remember, only you possess the power to write your own destiny. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.